Hi Katie, thank you so much again for letting me make this video for you. Basically, just really quickly, I'm going to go through the different components that are involved with search engine optimization and being able to rank high in the top 3 with Google. And so, first of all, well, actually, just let me list them out. It has to do with content, backlinks, and citations. And so quickly, since we're on the front page of your website, I just want to go over content real quick. So in regards to content, what's the major component, especially on your first page, is that you want to have about 1,500 words on this first page, and that will enable you to have place for about 15 crucial keywords that you want to be found for when people search for Google. And so another thing that you need to consider and take into consideration is the title tags and the H1 and the H2 tags. I know it sounds technical, but basically it's the really big, bold lettering at the top here is what Google searches for to see if you are the website that a person needs. And so what I did is I took your website in a tool that we use to see how you are ranking right here. Oops. And basically these right here represent the power of your domain, and this is the popularity you have among Google. Right here you may be familiar with backlinks because it seems like you have really paid attention to them. These are links that link your website to other powerful websites or authoritative websites, whether it be another distributor or a housing, like a construction website or a magazine or a blog. These all 13,000 link back to you. So right here, these are citations, and basically that means that your website, your name, it's like a directory. It's kind of like the Yellow Pages. In fact, you probably have Yellow Pages in here. Yellow Pages, Yelp, various different places that you can cite all of your information and be found when searched for. So there's various different, all kinds of different directories out there. And looking down, scrolling down, I don't see, Yelp or Yellow Pages, which are the two most popular. So that's something to consider. And then here is another very, very important aspect that you want to pay attention to when you're developing and creating your content for your site. Right now you are ranking for 401 keywords, organic keywords, and this is bringing you about 60 clicks a month. In other words, people are out there searching for these particular keywords, about 60 a month, and that is bringing in only $19 a month. So let's just take a look at your keywords real quick. Did I click on it? So of course you're going to be ranking in the top position for your name, but it looks as though you've also added some various products here, and that's excellent. You definitely want to have all the type of products that you supply and distribute listed within here. But something to consider too is that you want to also maybe list electrical supply in various regions or OEM distributor in various regions that you are working with, such as North Carolina, Virginia, and Kansas. You can actually put the specific towns. And so let's go back. I also took your competitor. You said that, actually, let me just quickly show you what happened when I searched for OEM distributor in North Carolina. So you said that North Carolina was one of your top just distribution places, along with Virginia and Kansas. And so what happened when I typed in OEM distributor North Carolina is these guys showed up at the top, and they're in second place as well. And then here's another few competitors of yours. You definitely want to be at least in the top 3, and that's what search engine optimization helps with. But it looks as though this ThomasNet, when I look into it further, it looks as though it may be a directory. So this may be an option where you can have your um, control, design, supply listed within ThomasNet. You know more about what ThomasNet is than I do, but and maybe a place that you can list your website. So what I did is I took McNaughton McKay, your biggest competitor that you said you had, and I put them also in Ahrefs here. And just want to show you really quickly the difference. So their domain power, strength, and their popularity is slightly higher. And then they have nearly 6,000 backlinks, which is, you know, a lot less than you have. But really, it's the combination of backlinks, citations, and keywords that create the traffic and the value. So if you look here, they are ranking for 734 different referring domains, which means places where they have their name, address, website, phone number all listed. And you can have these types of listings as well. Let's just really quickly scroll down and see if they have something like Yellow Pages or Yelp. You may recognize some of these, and so those you can quickly just snag as you're scrolling through. I didn't see Yellow Pages or Yelp, but that doesn't mean that you can't list there. So, and then also, again, we're going to take a look at their keywords. And what you're going to find within their keywords, I think, also are, look, 59,000 keywords, bringing in 22,000 clicks a month and a $19,000 value a month. So let's just take a look at their keywords real quick so you can have an idea of the type of things that they are ranking in search for. So people are searching for these types of things, and McNaughton K are being found for them. Of course, their first name is going to be position number 1, but they also have some things like these. I guess these could be types of products that they're offering. You may also be offering these types of products, but they have 921 pages worth. Let's go back. Pick a more centralized page. Try page 7. Watt stopper wiring diagram. Okay, so these are things that people may be searching for, or actually are searching for, and these are the positions that McNaughton McKay have been found for them. So it's very crucial to implement as many keywords that you would be searched for in the types of services that you offer and products as you can. And so, and then also, of course, being cited everywhere that you can and linking as many other websites and domains back to your site. This gives you authority and causes you to rise in the ranks with Google. I hope you liked this video, and if you are interested in allowing us to help you with the implementation of the keywords, referring domains, or backlinks, just reach out and I will. Thank you, Katie.